Hello and very good evening to all the students, and first of all I would like to wish you all a very happy and prosperous 2022 year. And in previous session we have learned how to solve exercise 2.2 of NCERT class 7 textbook, and in this session we will learn how to solve exercise 2.3 of NCERT class 7 book. Okay, so without any further delay, let's proceed to start our session. Okay students, now we will solve exercise 2.3 question number 1, and in this question we have to just solve it. Okay, so question number 1 is written here as find 1 by 4 of, and few options are given A, B, C. So in this I will solve only C part and you have to solve rest with your own self. Okay, so I am just taking here part C, that is 4 by 3. So 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. So here of means just multiplication. Okay, so we'll solve it here very easily. 1 by 4 of 4 by 3, and what will be the solution? It will be 1 by 4 of 4 by 3, and 4 will be cancelled. So here fraction will be 1 by 3. Okay, so this will be your answer. And in first question part 2 we will solve 1 by 7 of, and I will try to solve it's only part B. Okay, and rest you will solve with your own self. So 1 by 7 of 6 by 5. So here I think I cannot cut more part of it here, so just we will multiply here 6 by 5, and lowest possible solution will be 6 oblique 7 upon 6 oblique 35, that is 7 cross 5 will be 35. So you can see here how easy question are these, and you can easily solve with your own self. Okay, and now we will proceed to solve question number 2. So what is question number 2? You can just see on your screen what is question number 2, and now we will solve it. Question number 2 is also very easy question, and here we have to just reduce it to lowest form. I think you have seen question in the screen. Now we will solve it, and here also I will try to solve its part first and part 7 only, and rest you will solve with your own self. So part first is written here as 2 oblique 3 cross 2 oblique 3. So we will just solve it fraction 2 oblique 3, and mixed fraction can be solved like this. We will just multiply and then, yes, correct, we will add it. So it will be 3 to the 6 plus 2, that is 8 oblique 3. So here lowest fraction possible will be 16 oblique 9. So second part first is very easy, and now we will solve second part 7. And second part 7 is written here as 4 oblique 5 cross 12 oblique 7, and we have to just reduce it to lowest form. So here what will be lowest form? It will be 12 cross 4, 48 upon 35. Why 48 upon 35? Because no other possible solution here, because we cannot solve it to more lowest form. So you can see from here these are very easy, and rest you can solve with your own self. And now we will proceed to solve question number 3. And question number 3 is also very easy part, and here we have to just multiply the following fraction. Question number 3 you can see on your screen also. So we will just solve its part first and part 7 again. So part first is written as 2 oblique 5 cross 5 1 oblique 4. So here it is 2 oblique 5 cross 21 oblique 4. Okay, now we can just cut it in lowest form. So what will be lowest possible form? It will be 2 and the 2 to the 4. So 21 upon 10. Okay, 21 upon 10 will be its lowest form. And now we will try to solve its part 7. And its part 7 is written as 3 oblique 4 oblique 7 cross 3 oblique 5. So we have to just solve the fraction first of all. So we will first multiply it and then add it. So what will be the solution? 7 3 are 21 and 21 plus 4 will be correct. 25 upon 7 cross 3 oblique 5. And here the fraction can be reduced to lowest term. So 5 1 is 5, 5 5 is 25. So possible solution will be 15 upon 7. Okay, so you can see from here all these questions are easy part. Now we will try to solve question number 4, and question number 4 you can see now on your screen also. So what is question number 4? We have to just find which fraction is greater. That is, two fractions are given and we have to just solve and find which fraction is greater. So let's begin the question. And here also two questions are given, and I will try to solve only its second part. So part 2 is given as 1 oblique 2 of 6 oblique 7 or 2 oblique 3 of 3 oblique 7. And here we have to find which is greater. That is, whether this one is greater or this one is greater. So just we will solve it. How we will solve it? You can see here 1 oblique 2 cross 6 oblique 7, and this will be 2 oblique 3 cross 3 oblique 7. So what will be its solution? Its solution will be 3 oblique 7, and here it will be 2 oblique 7. So from here you can see which part is greater, because in both the denominators are same. If the denominators are same, then the number fraction which we have greater numerator will be greater. So 3 oblique 7 is greater than 2 oblique 7. So you can see how easy these questions are, and you can solve it easily with your own self also. Now we will try to solve question number 5, and question number 5 is now also on your screen. So just read carefully question number 5 and I will try to solve it. So what is question number 5? Question number 5 is given here as Sally plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. The distance between two adjacent saplings is 3 oblique 4 meter. Find the distance between the first and the last saplings. Okay, so this is also a very easy question. Sally wants to plant 4 saplings. Okay, and all these saplings she wants to plant in a row. So first of all we will try to draw a row. So let's see. Maybe so let's say so here it is a row, and we will try to put 4 saplings in it. So suppose we put first sapling here, second sapling here, third sapling here, and fourth sapling here. So first sapling is named as A, second is B, third is C, and fourth is D. Okay, and here it is given distance between two adjacent sapling is 3 oblique 4 meter. That is, all the distance between two adjacent will be 3 oblique 4. So here it will be also 3 oblique 4, and here it will be also 3 oblique 4, because she has just planted 4 saplings. And now we have to find distance between first, that is this, and last, that is this. So what will be the total distance? So you can easily solve it. How? We will just solve it by adding these, that is AD plus BC plus CD, correct? What is AD? 3 oblique 4. What is BC? 3 oblique 4. What is CD? It will be also 3 oblique 4. So what will be the solution? It will be 4, and here it will be 9 oblique 4. 9/4 meter. Okay, so you can see from here how easy these questions are. So please just note it here, and we will now solve question number 6. Okay, so question number 6 you can see also now in your screen. Question number 6 is Lipika reads a book for 3/4 hours every day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. How many hours in all were required by her to read the book? Okay, so here we have to find how many hours she used to take to read a complete book, and she just read 3/4 hours every day. So it is also a very easy question. So how we have to solve, you can just see here. In one day, Lipika reads equal to 3/4 hours, or we can just say 7/4 hours. Okay, so in one day she just reads 7/4 hours, and she used to complete the book in 6 days. So in 6 days Lipika will read how many hours? Yes, correct. We have to just multiply it by 6. So what will be the solution? It will be 21/2, or we can write here as 10/1/2 hours. So you can see how easy these questions are, and you just note from here, these are very easy questions. Now we will try to solve question number 7. And question number 7 is now also on your screen. So you just read it carefully. A car runs 16 kilometers using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 3/4 liters of petrol? So here we have just to find how much distance. Okay, and what are given here? Here it is given car runs 16 kilometers in 1 liter of petrol. So how we will write? Just see here. In 1 liter, car covers distance. In 1 liter, car covers distance. Here it is given 16 kilometers. Okay. So we have to just find and how much distance will it cover in 3/4. So 3/4 liters car will cover distance equal to 3/4 cross 16. And now we will just solve it. Yes. So what will be its solution? It will be 11/4 cross 16. So it will be just simply reduced to lowest terms, and it will be 44 kilometers. So you can see how easy this question, and you can easily solve with your own self also. And now we will proceed to solve question number 8. And question number 8 is also now on your screen. You can see here. So what is question number 8? We have to just find what will come in the box. So what will come in the box? We will just try to solve it. And here also in 8th question, I am going to solve its part B only. And part A, you have to solve with your own self. Provide the number in the box such that 3/5 cross, and here it is given box, will be 24/75. So we have to find what will come in the box. So how we will try to solve it? Here there are only two methods. We can just divide 24 with 3 and 75 with 5. So how many times it will go? 3 8 the 24, and here it will be correct 15. So you can see how easy this question is. So box will be 8/15. And we have to just find its simplest form. So what will be its simplest form? 24/75. We will just reduce it to lowest possible form. It will be 3 8 the 24. So it will be 8/25. So it will be its lowest form. Okay. So okay students, and now I hope that you have understand how to solve exercise 2.3 of NCERT class 7 textbook, and I think you have learned and enjoyed this session. So please like and share to your friends, and also subscribe my channel, and we will meet in next day in some another topic. Okay, thank you.